get ready for the journey. In lovely Ponape, going to visit the islands of Negoro and Kapinga. Set out some lines, try to catch some giant fish, a little catch and cook. I'm taking the opportunity to do some fishing. Some action! Look at all the fish coming up! Of the Caroline Voyager, the new GoPro to document the beauties of the Micronesian outer islands. This is my hammock here. This is how deck passengers stay. Tour of the ship. Some of the faces of Kapinga. Setting up camp out area for the ship. Justin!
My name is Kiego.
This is our area over here. One of our hammocks getting ready to go. Come on. Skate boat on the third deck of the stern. Crews are turning here at the Adventure Boys YouTube channel at Island Thrive. Please like and subscribe. Our voyage is now underway. Cast off from the dock. Got Captain John Nanpe at the helm. Experienced Micronesian navigator. Clear weather here. Trade winds are blowing. Lovely island, Ponape. See, it's not so built up. Still holding on to the old ways. Kapinga, here we come. Overnight trip. In the morning, we'll be arriving. And we're looking out over Socays. See these beautiful pools. These are actually old dredging operations. Creates a nice little harbor here. Now we're walking up through the deck passenger area. Oh, we got a big thumbs up here. Say hi to YouTube. Hi, YouTube. Filming for the Adventure Boys YouTube channel. These are all old friends and family of friends from all the years visiting Kapinga. Say your name.
My name is Jamal.
Right. All friends lining the deck. This is how we do it here in Micronesia. Getting ready to set out for the open sea under a nice clip. About to break the reef. Seafaring friends, good to be back on the water with you guys again.
Hey, hey.
This is the island of Langer. These are the ship's boats. These will be deployed at each island. Ponape fading off into the background already. Line of the breakers. Looks like we have really smooth sailing today. Fading into the background. Got spectacular weather for voyaging over the sea. It looks like we're running about a 3-foot swell and a 1-foot chop, which are really ideal conditions. Now you could see more of the island of Ponape stretching out. You can see the outer reef on your right hand side, and then looking in the distance you could see the districts of Kitchi, Socays Island, and back into Colonia Lagoon area. Look at these beautiful cirrus clouds, beautiful wisps. Got the shark warrior, great fisherman, long-term resident of Orluk, Ravens. Boat is underway, tying up our red rig using dental floss to secure that skirt. This piece of rubber is holding our line. And we're trolling off the back right there. We're looking for something big. Variety of rigs here. We're looking for big game. We're looking for marlin, mahi-mahi. Fishing off the back. You can see over my shoulder here. It's my line and my rig. I've got out main line, which is about 6,000 pound. 2 lengths of heavy stainless cable going to mono and then finally to wire. We're fishing out long. You can see my rig and my lines out behind us. Fish on! Fish on! Stepped away for a minute and there's the action. Right off the back of the ship. Right off the back of the ship. Here comes my brother, Yellowfin. All right. All right. That's the one right there. More fish coming on. Here comes the boys. Here he comes. They're pulling up on my wire. Awesome action. Look at all the fish coming up. We got wahoo. We got tuna on line. I got another wahoo on my other line. This is fishing in Micronesia at its best. There's the wahoo. The wahoo loves the red. Wow, wow, wahoo! Double header wahoo. We have a whole system here. Raven, the shark killer. The bait we rigged. First, 1,200 pound test. Then, these cables are the weight. Feed it out nice. There we go. Oh, we're feeding cable. Let me see the pulleys. There we go. Pulley here. Nobody's ever seen a little fishing rig like this. Look at this. I'm using yachting gear. The cable should just be laying in the water. There it is. See that? See that? What's swimming on the surface there? More line. More line. Fish it way back. We're fishing for marlin here. Fish on. Fish on our main line, baby. Here he comes. Ooh, what is that? Oh, it's heavy. It's heavy. Get it on the pulley. It's on. Pulley. Alright, working it up just like they want here. They don't want the pulley. They don't want the pulley and they don't need the pulley. Here's the pulleys. That's easily 20 horsepower. It's 20 bell Raven. Look at us. We just bailing fish here at the Adventure Boys YouTube channel. The lines are so hot around Kapinga, pulling it up like as if he were just pulling in a light fishing line. This is heavy duty tackle and this is heavy duty fishing. That looks like a wahoo to me. Over the side, up, 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 up. Help him, help him. Here he comes, watch out, flip over the top. Come on, Adventure Boys, yes! Wahoo! On the Island Thrive channel. Wahoo! Go! That's a big joke out here. Adventure Boys YouTube channel, the home of fishing fun.